go. Everything should work, but I need to set it up because you're seeing black. Shouldn't see black, so yeah. Hello. So yeah, now I welcome to you to your screen. I can hear myself. I need to change that. Hello. So yeah, now I welcome to your screen. No. Okay. So yeah, hello to a new stream. Hope you're doing all fine. I need to do a few things before we can really start. Like open the chat and put the chat into a new window. Like this. Okay, so I can read my message, my own message. And yeah. Please have some. Stay on the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Okay, so yeah. I will start a poll. You want me to cover, and yeah, because I closed Pygame, you're seeing black. 1 second. Matplotlib, can do Matplotlib, Numpy, Python basics, and yeah, last option, Pygame. No, not that. Pygame. Yeah, more like this. Okay, so yeah, make your choice. The choice is yours. Okay, I'm quoting song. Now, yeah. Last time I did something like this. I will, like always, first resume to Pygame. I made Pygame Ultimate, which is kind of an updated version of my old Pygame. Now completely object-orientated. So let's approach it. Game, yeah. Yeah, I should also add some freaking music. See something which seems reasonable. Okay, you will see music. Or you will hear music, you can't see music. If you can see music, you have to tell me how you can see music, because then I also want to see music. Now, I mean, you probably can't hear music. And hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I will start the stream after I found some freaking music.
Der neue Suzuki Swift.
Okay, this was an ad, this was no music, sorry for that. By the way, you can already make your choice or your vote regarding the poll. Let me do this mix here. Okay, yes, now. If this kind of music is not your style, please just make a comment and I will edit it. But I always did. If you don't like this if you don't like dubstep or anything like this, simply let me know and I will. But it's too loud in my opinion. Now, can you hear the music? Yeah, you can still hear. Yeah, it should be quiet. It should only be in the very background. And yeah. So, I can finally start now. After, I guess, 5 minutes into the stream or 4 minutes. Still waiting for the poll. Okay, now I will simply start. So, class game, I will just review my last code. Okay, did I already start level generator? Oh. How can I solve this? There has to be a way. Hello Whiskey, how are you? Yeah, what is the purpose? I'm kind of restarting. I want to make a new game, which will kind of work in a similar fashion, but is completely object oriented because I messed a few things up last time. And yeah, I want to do the core stuff object oriented, and then I will simply copy everything inside the for my old game inside the game. So I will recycle a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'm kind of have to start a lot of over because I made a lot of mistakes during my progress, and now I hopefully learn from that mistakes and will make a new game without that mistakes, hopefully. Yeah, but cool to see you. Yeah. Okay, where was I? I was gonna append the walls. So wall should have something like def. Or should that be in the, let's see, obstacle, def in it. Oh yeah, I will delete this one because it is not necessary. So yeah. Thank you really much. Yeah, I kind of did. Yeah, but I'm I made a lot of stuff static using static variables, or making a kind of weird mix of a procedural programming system and an object orientated, and now I want to do everything object orientated. Yeah. But I will kind of doing a lot of things like the game before, but I will kind of switch perspective, so sometimes it will contain elements of a jump and run level, so if you have a new level, it will randomly decide if it's more like a jump and run level or a roguelike level, something like this. And yeah, I will fully... Yeah, more like this. And yeah, my last thing I did was studio. Okay, so thinking about next step, which is class of dev blitz screen. Now I will close other tabs. Close other tabs. Now I will do the roguelike stuff. Main object, level generator, blit, because screen blit. Screen, let's see. Let's do a blit. First let's screen blit. Screen here. We don't need player yet, or do we? And by the way, hello to everyone who joined recently. If you're asking yourself, what the hell is this guy doing? I'm kind of improving the last game I did, making 100% in new code, but kind of also, recycling a lot of old functions, so player. Self-point image, and position should be x equals self point x, y equals self point y. Okay, this is not possible, so now we need a tuple, self point x and self point y. So I'm thinking, is there a way to move the entire level? Because the main wheel I wanna do it all over again is that when I play the game, I want to switch certain stuff. Hello to the one who joined recently. Hope you're doing fine. We are improving my old Python game. So, and like always, so you can send me your code if you want it to get reviewed. Okay. I'm thinking or shall I do it later, because that's kind of a tricky one, how I can make it that the whole game itself. If I don't have midterms, I would start fresh project. I'm starving to code right now. Yeah, I know the issue. I'm coding at work, but not that a qualified programmer, more like you can say more like a fill-in job. Yeah. Like, if you're a job where you have to know the coding, but not be studied data scientist, something like that. But you also won't earn the same amount. It's kind of, a bit complicated to address, but that's basically it. So, You're working as a programmer, you already told me that once, but you are working as a coder. By the way, I will do that later. When it's late and not that many will join, because basically in the hours from 12 to 1 most people join, so I will simply make something new, which is called, let me think, how can I call it, new data science, and I will do some Numpy in it, Matplotlib, we'll try new stuff, because I'm doing new stuff. What does the poll say? How many votes does the poll have? Oh, only one. By the way, if you want me to do anything, please don't forget to vote, so I can, update the poll and do whatever you want me to do. So don't be shy. Okay, so what can I do? I need inspiration. Maybe try something. Projects with. I will do an API. What API? Fun. Cat API. Oh, come on. API fun. The APIs which simply gives you some if you're asking yourself what am I doing, I'm looking for a cool API I can use for this project because when I work with an API, yeah. Maybe the Chuck Norris API. Chuck Norris API. I will do the Chuck Norris API, I guess. AG file. Okay, yeah. Ah, I get it. So, yeah. Import requests as weak, or simply import request. Let's do it like that. Let me use it and see if something is new. I will apply Moonish usability for master. Price is 6,000 euro by year. What do you think about how many euro minimum spent for daily needs in Germany? Or for daily needs, I can see monthly needs. So not from, if you exclude your apartment, if you exclude costs like energy, everything like that, you can kind of 10 euros a day is minimum for food. So for example, I'm kind of the same. For food is 10 euros. Like I eat like oat flakes with some foods for breakfast and something for lunch, something for dinner. I will usually eat cheese curd. And yeah, food is about comparable to most European countries. Scandinavian countries are usually more expensive. South Europe countries are usually more expensive. But I've heard Munich, so München in German, is kind of more of the more expensive ones. And yeah, the costs for an apartment are not really cheap. I would recommend living with multiple people, renting an apartment with multiple people. So yeah, it's like yeah, I would use a shared apartment, maybe with a shared kitchen, a shared bathroom, and where everyone has his own room. But I did this before. It was really or more. I would say it's more. Not including an apartment, then it's really more, because you have I would always do a shared apartment, but you have more than 1,000 euros a month. If it's Munich, if other cities are much cheaper, but in Munich, if you are using a shared apartment, then even if in a shared apartment you can have like 300 to 400 euros only the rent of the apartment. Let me just do it. But Munich is one of the most expensive cities in Germany, if not the most expensive. Yeah, I also wouldn't be able to, have the money to live in Munich. But if you are, for example, what I can recommend is, for example, Hannover, where I live, we have a university which is kind of, known for subjects like computer science. I can't study anymore there simply because of my work, and I can't handle a usual, studying by usual. I have to do the home studying I'm doing at the moment, where I'm doing everything from my computer. That's madeable, but not in a university, because I can't visit anything regarding the subjects while I'm also attending university. I would kind of have to skip everything, and while I have to be at work. So that's why it's called, in Germany, it's called Fernstudium, where you be at home and you are watching watching everything from home. I can also recommend that most of that is possible. Oh, I'm a little bit older, I'm 30. Yeah, some people expect I'm younger because I'm still studying, but I'm kind of studied lately because I didn't have the money to study before, so I first earned some money and now I'm. Yeah, but there are much better cities if you want to study in Germany, even if it's computer science. There's Heidelberg, there's Hanover, even Berlin, Hamburg, many cities which are, cheaper cities. For example, Hanover has a lot of smaller apartments in the cities nearby, and you can reach university by train. And if you're studying, there's a train. You don't have to pay for the train. So you can have an apartment, a shared apartment for 200 euros a month, maybe even cheaper. And in the shared apartment, usually someone cooks, cooks for the whole team. So you are not, if 4 people cook for 4 people like that, and you share your time when you make lunch, then you kind of even save more money. And it's cheaper, the studying cost. I mean, Hanover is one of the more expensive universities, where you have to pay about 1,000 euros a year, but not 6,000 euro, only 1,000 euros a year. So I can 100% recommend that. Yeah, but if engineering should also be, most engineering masters can be done in Hanover, I guess. I mean, there must be an English side. It's only in English. There should be. 1 second. Yeah, there is. But this is just an example. There are many universities, and there you can inform whether you can what kind of master you could attend. And a lot of people from no problem. A lot of people from outside, so from different countries, visit there. When I studied there, I had I met a lot of students from all over the world. Yeah. Okay, so now what did I want to attend now? Kind of. No, not. It's too early for coffee breaks, so I guess. Yeah, let's do some to get in the request. Let's see, request. Just copy that. My JSON equals requests point get print point JSON from ppprint import ppprint, which means pretty print, ppprint my JSON. Now let's run it. Yeah, so yeah, we got, this is simply a site where you can have h where you give a name and you get as an answer. Can you see it, by the way? Yeah, you can see it. I will move that to the right. As you can see here, we have the name Michael or Michael, which has a count of 298,219. Average age is 63 and Michael. So now let's use another name. Let's use what is an old name like? Which name can I use? Maybe you can write it in the chat which name I could try. What is a cool name? Louis. Let's try it with that. Oh, age 71, okay. An even older name like... what is a really old name? Abraham. Oh, 61, okay, so that's the average age of the people who are currently living and having this name, I guess, because the name itself is much older, based on the fact that Abraham Lincoln is lived, for example, centuries ago. Michele, okay, Michael or Michael, I will try it. Okay, Michael Keller, the female name, 55, and yeah, not that common, 38,036. So why am I doing this? I will now create a list or a NumPy array. No, it's in this case it's a list. Name list equals. Oh, let's see. Let me just use name, forenames, txt, random first names. Now I looked something up, now I will have a new file, which is names.txt, new stuff. We have a quick look in the chat. Nothing new in the chat. And our name list equals. Let's first read the names with text as open names.txt read oh, I kind of have to switch that with open 1 second as filey point. Okay, let's first comment that out because yeah, doing a request shouldn't be inside this one. I will plot it so you get certain data regarding on the name, And I will using Matplotlib to plot or to make a bar chart regarding the data I get while doing the request. So now I will, for example, send a request to random names which are picked from this one. And then I will kind of plot them and make random bar charts depending on these names. You will see in a few minutes. I will. So let's open as filing. Listy equals filey point read lines, and now print listy. Let's run it. I will just test if everything works. Yeah, perfect. Now we don't, here you see the new line. Listy equals for a in 0 minus 1. Yeah, here we go. Now I names to plot equals. Now let's import random. Yeah, I will import random now. Random points. I will import random soon. So random point choice. Or random point choices. Listy. Again, what are the parameters? Choice. Okay, population, return. Self weights none. Weights equals none. Okay, so new stuff. Listy 2. Print names to plot. Okay, perfect. But we want 10. And yeah, now we are getting to the core, because what we're gonna do now is we now implement it using our cute little API. So now we have the count. Equals an empty list, and we have, shouldn't plot, and we have the age. Something like this, yeah. Nothing new in the chat. And no votes, I guess. No, no one voted yet. Simply let the poll open. I hope the music is okay. Yeah, usually I choose more neutral music, but I like the playlist, so I simply thought you could maybe like the playlist as well. I don't know. Hopefully you do that. Okay. Age names the plot. Okay, we have age. For name in names to plot. Name F. You kind of switch if you're wondering why I'm making these short breaks. I really often switch to the chat, looking if there's something new in the chat, but yeah, at the moment there isn't. Pretty print my JSON. Pretty print my JSON. Okay, now count point append my JSON. Count h point append my JSON. H. Import Matplotlib point pyplot as PLT. And hello to everyone who joined recently. If you're asking what I'm doing, I'm using an API, getting data from an API and trying to plot it. If you have any recommendations what I can try, what I can do, or if you want me to cover anything, please write it down in the chat or use the poll. Yeah. My JSON list t equals a for Ian Foley read lines. Okay, this seems to be correct. Now let's say plt point bar, plt point show, and plt point bar. Labels should be age, or it should be names to plot, and yeah. Let's say count, and now let's also create a random color. What are the colors of Matplotlib? I have to Google it, 1 second. Or 2 seconds? Yeah, but I will be there immediately. Some conscience. Okay, Matplotlib. What are the possible colors? I knew that. Keyword colors. Here we go. Now let's say colors. between. What do I have a list of colors? There should be a list of colors regarding Matplotlib colors. Is there? I don't know. Maybe there is. Maybe there is not. List of named colors. This is. Okay. I will first of all use this. I'm looking at the Matplotlib documentation and the color, and I'm using also no, not that, but this. Hopefully this is a list. Print type. Tirza, he doesn't know Tirza, okay. So yeah, the dictionary. Yeah, this. I need to make, or if I make this, oh yeah, here we go. Can you see it? Actually, let me see. Oh, not at all. So here we go. Yeah, now you can see it as well. Okay. Can also plot H. Oh, not H1, H. Yeah. Oldest one is Joanne or Mauritia, and youngest is Jassaline. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's do the age instead of the count. Seems much more like something you would do. Okay, so we are using the age. Okay, so I will make myself now a coffee. It's time for the first coffee break, but I will resume immediately after a short period. Yeah, so yeah, we'll be right back. I'm back. Let me have a look. Oh, and you have an ad. Schlager talk. That's, you know, a Schlager is the worst piece of German art you can ever encounter. So if you kind of hear something like Schlager, just, yeah, run as fast as you can. Really, Schlager is the worst. So if you, and if you encounter someone who hears Schlager, you should flee from him. And you should build a wall around him. So it's the worst kind of music. And there are a lot of bad musics, but Schlager, oh lord, Schlager. You don't want to hear Schlager. So I feel a little bit cold. I will just, yeah, get myself a pullover, and I have a pullover here, but I need to, yeah, put down my equipment and, yeah, put on my pullover. 1 second. Pullover means pull over. I never realized that before, by the way. Pull over, pull over. Pull over the pullover. So yeah. So I pulled over the pole over. Now back to business. Even if it's not maybe you can't call it business, but back to what we did before. So yeah, I plotted the age. Now without the colors. Keys. Now I want MC colors. I want this list. This is a list of colors. Point. I want to random colors equals random point choices colors key equals 10 color equals random colors. Line 17, okay. Then let's do it like this. List of MC. This should work. Yeah, it works. Here we go. Okay, white shouldn't be, but, or it's just 0. No, the value is not 0, there's something in the background. Let's do it again, because this was a little fail. Yeah, we have to send a lot of requests, but here we go. Yes, this is the average age of the given names. Mead, never heard of Mead, or Achille, or... Yeah, Denise, I know. Which names do you know? You can write it down if you want. Yes. So yeah, after that we can do a little more 10 minutes of Pygame Ultimate. By the way, I want to know regarding Pygame, is it possible to move it? Let me see. Or yeah. Hello to the one who joined recently. Ah, perfect, Matplotlib, because I am doing Matplotlib at the moment. Oh, sorry, I wanted to move this away. Yeah, perfect. Hello, Matt, how are you? You're doing fine? Yeah, I'm doing Matplotlib at the moment. I made this little script here. 1 second. This little script here that sends a request to an API or not. Sorry, where is it? Yeah, this little one here where I send a request to an API And after that we get yeah, the average age of 2 random yeah, forenames out of this list. And then it will be plotted with Matplotlib point bar. And yeah, he chose Marlon, Rhea, Greta, Cindy, and Sarah. And Sarah got a white bar, okay. Let's try it again. Here we go. Yeah, this is the average age. For example, Shelia seems to be kind of name that dies out. Or here we go. Sorry. To be a name that kind of dies out. Yeah. By the way, I can answer polls, so the chat will be shown in the at the screen again. And yeah, as you can probably see, that's the actual what we're doing at the moment. Now web scraping, by the way, could be something interesting in general. We could try to attempt. And then combine it with Matplot. Why not? People telling me I shouldn't drink coffee this lately, but yeah. I don't drink alcohol, I drink... It's like my alcohol, the coffee. So yeah, I'm totally addicted to coffee, by the way. If I don't get my coffee in the morning, I can be a monster or can turn into the Hulk. I could turn into the thing the Hulk would turn into if we gets an additional level of angriness. That's my kind of status if I don't get my coffee I need. Yeah, coffee is like it's life potion. Yeah, it's called the life potion, the brown life potion, or the white life potion, depending on if, or the black milk life potion, depending on the level of milk you are doing inside your coffee. I drink it with a little bit of oat milk because, yeah, I am not vegan, but regarding milk, I prefer oat milk, not regarding I love meat, but it's just personal. Yeah, probably, because I guess this is just some bit code. Let us try it. So let's simply print. Let's say we have myJSON equals requests point get. Now let's sort this out. Gotcha equals, and then now gotcha point get, gotcha point JSON, additional bracket, and now we should print gotcha, and we print type of gotcha. Now let's see what we get. Okay, he doesn't. Okay, now he has problems. Adapters were found for. Okay, he has some issue. 26. Oh yeah, because still had this, so class request model, so we get an object, and if we print it, we get whether the response, so whether he made a successful request or not. That's what we get. I guess it's a string here, but yeah, it's simply an object. Or it's a class, I guess. Yeah, it's a static class. Something like that. So if you want data frame, you should first use the JSON, because usually if you do a request, you get a JSON file containing different variables, and if you want, maybe you want specific data or specific variables out of this JSON file, so yeah, that's why you use. No, but yeah, if the most time and consuming and resource consuming factor is, by the way, the GET request. The GET request will need its time, and converting it into the JSON file won't need that any significant resources, or the time you for the GET request is by million times slower than the time you need to convert the data you got into a JSON file. That's pretty quick. So don't worry about that. And usually you won't get a string because, it also depends on which language you're using, and a lot of languages support JSON files like JavaScript or Python. I hope the burp wasn't recorded. And okay, so what do we wanna do next? Okay. Yeah, but JSON, you won't save any resources if you skip the part where you kind of do the JSON file. So don't worry, you can simply, safely do that. And thinking about using a different thumbnail. One second. Okay, I'm back. So now after plotting it, what can we also do? Key over count now. Oh yeah, now I got a timeout because I use the API too often. But was a cool time. Now, and hello to everyone who joined recently. We are doing some request stuff, some stuff with Matplotlib. And if you want me to cover anything else, please write it down in the chat, in the comments, wherever you wanna do it. And by the way, what can we do now? Let's use another API. We have AG5 board API. What is a board API? Board API. Okay. That's kind of cool. So let's plot something else. Now let's call that refactor AG5. And by the way, where's the chat? I need to look in the chat. Nothing new. Okay, I will return. So we are now using the board API. Let's call it board. Board Pi. Okay, now where was the link? I'm totally should. Activity. So import requests. Say API point body. How do I do it? Oh, I'm totally stupid. API activity. Okay, so I have the link here. This is a link. Now, where am I? Still 7 viewers. That's good. That's really good. So here's a link. Link equals import. Request is already imported. And the cool thing is request print, pretty print. Import pretty print because we want to have a pretty print point, pretty print. Request point get link point JSON again. Now let's test it. So the cool thing is we don't need the random one because a random API because he will simply give us make a scrapbook with pictures of your favorite memories. Is an activity that is random chosen with the accessibility, participants, price, and type. And yeah, let's use something else. Do yoga. Participants 1, price 0, type recreational. So yeah. What have we? Find a die to do. Okay, I don't know what this means. What else do we get? Match your storage container with the lids. Okay. Something like this. Now let's create a little plot based around it. Let's have 2 lists, 3 lists. First of all, name, price, or let's call it name. Was right, names and prices, and we have another ad. 1 second, I will skip that. Sorry for the ad. Already skipped. Okay. Prices, participants, and accessibility. This seems to be. Now let's make for data in let's do list work lists equals for I in range 10. Activity for A in rec list, a price for A in rec list, and yeah, the same, but of course a accessibility for A in rec list. And now let's plot. Okay, next step should be. I'm kind of. The music kind of grabs my attention, but this is not an issue. It's something positive. For every night in my dreams I see. So for it's now import Matplotlib point pyplot as PLT, important one because we are still doing Matplotlib. And accessibility. I'm thinking. PLT, no, not prices. PLT point bar names, prices, and colors should be. We have an HIP file. Okay. I'm sorry, we still need the import random. We need the random packages because we want colors, and we also need this one. Random colors. PLT point. Come on. PLT point. Hello. PLT point. Show. And abracadabra. Okay, it needs a little bit of time. 15. Okay. Now I'm thinking, what could be the issue here? If you know it, please tell me. I don't know it, I have to be honest. I wanna know, but I don't know it. So PLT point show, this seems alright. Okay, we have to do it like this. Print names and print prices. And put accessibility. We have to do it like this. I hope I won't exceed the limit of requests, but I hope this won't be, I think it won't be an issue, and I also hope it won't be an issue. Okay, what did he print? So this seems alright. So why does he have a problem? Okay, I'm totally stupid. Colors equals random colors. Now it should work. Yeah, we have now have to wait a little bit. So why? Okay, color was only one. Please don't. I hope there'll still be enough. Oh, perfect. Okay, so yeah, I should do it with point replace with, maybe it is better if we do it like this. Yeah, now you can read it. Okay, why is he? So yeah, now you can read it. Yeah, now I kind of plotted the API. Okay. We could now do a little bit web scraping, and of course we are plotting it at the end, so we are always implementing something with Matplotlib. Why am I getting sleepy? It's not that late. And I didn't do any sports today. Usually I do sports every day, that's why I'm getting sleepy. But today I didn't do any sports. And I'm still sounding like someone who is mentally someone... Yeah, you can't say mentally challenged would be a little bit too much, but... I don't sound how someone should sound. Okay. this seems to work good. Now let's see what else can we do. Must be an API we can try to use. Or try to abuse now its use. Let me see. Let's learn some beautiful soup. So, something we can read. Yeah, it's kind of... Which site could we analyze? We kind of need to find a site that is allowed to analyze. But at the moment I don't know which I could use as a... Maybe I will get a coffee and think about that. Be right back.
Manchmal frage ich mich, ob sie mich wirklich kannten, meine Freunde. Jetzt, wo ich nicht mehr bin, suchen sie nach Antworten. Doch was, wenn die Antwort aus einem Netz aus Liebe, Verrat und Mord besteht?
Hör Pretty Dead Girl, nur bei Audible. Jetzt kostenlos testen.
Okay, I am back and yeah, back to business. Back to business. Okay, this sounded creepy. I'm sorry for that. Was not my intention. Okay, it was my intention. So, but what is also my intention is to write reasonable code. So let's do that. Now what could we try? Looking about beautiful soup, but for that I kind of need a website where I'm allowed to try that. So I should websites beautiful soup allowed. Which sites? Okay, so you can, this is kind of interesting. Let me show you. If we have a site and simply type yeah, let's scrape Wikipedia. I guess this is allowed. This is allowed to scrape Wikipedia, I guess. See? Let's simply type something like web scrape test. Import requests. URL equals and yeah. Strange sounds and are just me drinking coffee. So import requests. Now let's try it. Request point get URL. Or let's say URL point content print. Let's run that. Point content text. Ah, here we got it. We get the quell text here. Okay. Let's see. My singing voice is incredible. Can't deny that. Can't deny that. Can't deny that. Thanks for the subscriber who subscribed lately, by the way. Thank you really much for subscribing. Here's a lie. Okay. But is there any text? Any reasonable or interesting data? Oh, here maybe. Oh. Ah, here we got the data, okay, so here's the header. Should definitely learn some more regarding HTML. Anything interesting? By the way, I want to do we now have the English one? Hopefully. This is German or English? I can't really tell. I guess. I have an idea how to access that. 1 second, I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit stupid. Yeah, I simply have en. Is this the right URL? Yeah, it is. It is. So, and now what could be interesting is not the host name, but hopefully, here. This page was last edited on 20 March 24. This could be, I can hear myself, I'm sorry, where is the coding button? Here we go. La la la, cha cha cha. Should I sing? Okay, so I have a better idea. Let's do it with random article. Wikipedia. Main page, random article. And yeah. Copy link address. Let's see, does it work? Yeah, it does. Doesn't seem to work. Maybe I will zoom to Pygame because, yeah, like already predicted, not many viewers now. So I can simply try a little bit mess around with my old Pygame stuff, which means I do Pygame. Oh wow, I'm the reincarnation of Captain Obvious now. Yeah, but I mean, I can try to improve my game a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. So obstacle has a blit, such something. Oh, I am thinking what I can do. This doesn't help at all. So yeah. Just for everyone who is not familiar with what am I doing. Okay, screen, set mode. Screen point, south point, screen point, draw. Point, draw point, rectangle, screen, I mean, this is just testing. Save point screen. Pygame point. Tangle point. Rectangle. 10, 10, 10, 10. And oh, one main. Oh, I should open the console. Oh, okay. And yeah, you won't hear any music because the music stopped mysteriously. Really mysterious. Where is the music? I can still sing for you. I can still sing for you, and everyone will run away because I'm singing and I'm not good at singing, but anyway, I don't even get to the clock. Going with the flow, going with the flow. Streaming music free. Let me see.
Okay, du bist so wunderbar, aber du führst mich in den Abgrund. Wie konnte ich die Nacht...
Okay, now let me just copy it because what the hell am I? Maybe you think, what the hell is he playing? I will show you. Let me see if I have to add a watermark because yeah. Save. Okay. Getting with the flow, getting with the flow, getting with the flow. Come on, give me another flow. Really, I am there. 1 second, I will resume in a second. Oh no, I didn't want to. I didn't want to close the music. 1 second, and hello to everyone who joined recently, by the way. Forgot about that, sorry, because I saw someone joining. Okay. Back to the rectangle stuff. Close other tabs. Okay. Equals. Okay, color. Color equals 200. the hell? Game point start. Are you kidding me? Here is a function start. He's kidding me. I'm sorry for everyone who's watching, and I'm just stupid. Oh, level, yeah. Where's the main objects? Generators. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Game. Core level. Dev start. Pass. Of course it has start. Okay, so game. Yeah, let's comment this one out until we... Okay, so he doesn't draw a rectangle. Squeeze, have point, screen point. Level generator. Pygame point, display point, flip. Point, display point, flip. Here we go. Perfect. So why am I doing this? I want to try out if the screen is actually moving, or if there's any possibility how to move the screen to a certain direction. And for that I'm trying to, move the screen. That's simply it. Okay. Why does my coffee taste that bad? I don't know. Maybe I got the wrong oat milk. Okay, I'm talking too much. Flip tick. Self point, screen point. Squall. Let's say self point, screen point, get it's really kind of cool what so it will be possible to do that, to move the screen when the player moves, so I'm not doing something impossible or trying to do something impossible. I still have to Yeah, screen point get. Point screen x equals 0, self point screen y equals 0. No. Plus 1. Screen y plus 1. And self point screen y plus equals 1. Let's see if anything happens. No. Yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Looks cool, doesn't it? Where's the chat? Ah, okay, that's... Thank you. Is it, which method is it? Is it a function of... And hello, Ballas, I hope you're doing fine. Is it a method out of screen? Or what kind of method does it use? Screen point. You said what did you said? Set Pygame point window position. Pygame point screen point or self screen point set. Or was it Pygame? Pygame point set error. Yeah, okay. It was set window position. Pygame point display maybe. Pygame point display point. No, not here. Set mode. Let me look in the chat. No, nothing new in the chat. And hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to set the window position. Oh, I'm totally stupid. You already said it. I'm just, yeah. Window, Pygame point. Oh no, I shouldn't change this. Pygame point. Window. You said, let me see, window. Yeah, I'm using PyCharm, which kind of, hello by the way to PGL, I'm using PyCharm that has something similar to auto-completion, and yeah, Pygame point, window point position. I'm lazy and will copy that. Let's see, does it give an... No, it gives model Pygame has no attribute window. Lowercase? Okay. La 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 la. Oh, I'm kind of losing viewers because it's my singing voice, I guess. I'm sorry, I won't sing anymore. If you don't want me to sing, won't sing anymore. Or maybe it's the music itself. My voice is incredible, but window minimize. This is our constants. Maybe screen point, self point, screen point. What do we have? Get set. Okay. Let me have a look. So how can I set Pygame? Maybe what am I doing wrong? Maybe I Google. Seems to be more complicated than I thought. I'm stupid. It already works this way. I'm just stupid. I need to draw the background. Point, fill, black. As you can see, The screen is now moving. I'm just stupid, but now it works. So yeah, I'm just stupid. It was much easier than I thought. Okay, yep. I'm just not the brightest person on this planet. Okay, so far I figured that out. This will be important because I want to move when the player moves, I want to move the entire screen in a certain direction. And yeah. So this is more important than you may possibly think at first, but yeah. Next step. So, now let's see. Now let's delete all this. We kind of know how it works. Now let's start. Hello, by the way, to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, I hope you're all doing fine. How can I do the start? Oh, yeah. First of all, we need the screen. So we need a screen, and we need the player, maybe. Yeah, now we need to draw it for wall in ops in static self point, so point static ops point blit screen. Like this. Don't know, yeah. So obstacle main game. Parent from standard objects point core import star, because this kind of is the core, so we will import everything of that. Yeah, exactly. You got it. You got it. That is what this is my intention. And to do that, I kind of have to, do an entire reset of the new game. Maybe I will, while doing that, while I'm still implementing the basics, I decide to do a entirely different game. Maybe more like a shooter. But yeah, I want to move everything but the player. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing with that. And kind of the set screen, or is just the player X and Y. But only if the player is at a certain position, so something like that. I still need to think about it. Yeah, it's, by the way, it's much more easier than I first thought. Much too complicated what I... Yeah. So self screen X. By the way, if you want to show something of your work again, feel free. I can, again stream. We maybe should do it when more people are watching, because at the moment we only have 4 viewers. But yeah, if you want to show anything, you feel free. Just write it in the chat and we can do the same thing on Discord we did before. Yeah. Append level. As screen equals self. Okay. You look if there's some... okay, yeah. Yeah, I know the issue. If you look at my streams, I didn't have much time lately to stream at all. And yeah. But I will make a new video in the near future, just because again, in the last live streams, overhauled the whole process with the item generation regarding ring items, and yeah, I can make a video regarding that. So yeah, game start. Card argument. Level point append. Oh, level. Here we go. Okay. Now let's see. Obstacle. Now let's create a new image for the walls. Maybe we can use this image here, lootables. This main object, storage, images, level background. Here, we can use this one for the wall. The enemy pathfinding pretty simple. You mean what? I have something for each enemy class. Where do I have it? Main object, enemy class. Each enemy has something which is site. And yeah, for site, depending on the site, I create an extra new rectangle, which is kind of the side rectangle, which is much larger than the enemy rectangle itself. And if you collide with the invisible rectangle, which is kind of the enemy is in the middle of that rectangle. If you collide with them, the enemy will head into your direction. And yeah, I don't have any real pathfinding. I made a few functions. If he's moving to a wall, he will kind of try to move to left, right or to left. I tried something with that, didn't really work out. So yeah, a lot of enemies will get stuck in the process. But I guess while working on the new program, I will also work on the old one. I will kind of do it while I'm also doing on the old one. I won't give up the old one. I simply decided this just. Because, yeah, as you mentioned, the old one was a lot of work. Yeah. Kind of feeling sleepy yet. Don't know how long I will continue, but yeah, at least 1 hour. So, what can we do now? Coding challenges, Matplotlib. I'm looking for what? What was this? .live. Oh, this was your... Ah, yeah, this was the one you sent me. Image generator. Web scrap test, yeah. So, yeah. What can I do now? Or will I start sleeping? I don't know. The stream would be really short if I now start sleeping, because I wanted to do at least 15 hours. Yeah, I will stream more. But what can I do? I need a new idea for a little project. Or am I doing coding challenges? I could try coding challenges. One second, I will... Signing in and... Yeah. New window. Okay. Let's do some coding challenges. Need something new. Even if I won't solve it, let's do some coding challenge. Okay. What was that? So, no, I'm not getting myself a coffee, but oh no, not this. 1 second, I will set a few things up before starting with coding challenges. Want me to anything? Write it down in the chat. Okay. This looks reasonable. A word if someone maybe realized, a word I'm often using is reasonable. Don't know why. I wanna know how. I wanna know why. Okay, this song seems to be interesting. So now let me finally start. I'm sorry for letting you wait. I don't want to do beta stuff. Okay, let's try this. I don't even know what will... This kata intended to be a simple version of the main difference in this kata is input n with only be an integer and only consider those binary string with exactly one. Okay. Okay. Okay, so he wants me to return a set. I get it. Don't know yet how I can solve this, but I get what he wants. Okay. For that, I will get myself another cup of coffee, I guess. Get myself something to eat. Okay, I will do a little break. 10 minutes. I didn't do a break about 10 minutes now, so it's time for a 10-minute break now. I guess. Don't know if I earned it yet, but yeah, I'm really sleepy. So yeah. Getting a coffee. Be right back. Be back in 10 minutes. Or 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes at 30. And then I guess I will stream until 2. Yeah. And then we can finish today's stream. Okay, I'm kind of back, but I'm still eating. So I won't talk that much while I'm eating. You can anyway ask anything while I'm trying to solve this kata. Do you call it? Yeah, you call it kata. Yeah. So feel free to ask anything. Yeah. Okay, with this function, it's pretty easy. Didn't know that this function still exists, but yeah, it does. So yeah, I wouldn't call that cheating in any way. But I will first eat a few things. 1 second. Hello. Sorry. Hello to everyone who joined recently. I'm trying to solve this coding challenge here, which is pretty simple, as I just found out, because you can simply use this. Replace one with X, like that. Okay, at least a little bit more difficult than I thought, because, yeah. So as you can clearly see, we have, yeah, and 6. Okay, this is, and 5 was, okay, now I guess I didn't get why I average string. What is the intention of the... Let me have a little look. What was the intention of this task? Or what do I have to solve here? Don't wonder I'm eating something, that's why I'm doing everything a little bit more slowly. You need is to use Okay. Average, but what does he mean with average? 6? Huh. What does he mean with average? Okay. What does he mean with average? What is average? So n is average, but what does he mean with average? Okay, here's an example. Okay, average of 25. This is, I guess, 25. Yeah, 16 plus 8 is 24. This is 25 in binary. And this is... Okay. Okay, I'm really sorry, but I don't get the task. I mean, this could be really fun, but the task has to be better explained. I'm too stupid, this is too much for my small brain. let's train this, because this seems to be at least more simpler regarding the, yeah, understanding of the task. The problem or the issue with the last task was maybe that it wasn't that worked out, or the instructions weren't that clearly. And yeah, this killed me, or killed my progress. Okay, so okay, this is easy. I'm thinking about doing it as a one-liner. That's why I'm thinking that much. This was easy. Really? I mean, why was the task, that was the same level of difficulty, why is this that easy? I mean, this was really easy. As you can obviously see. But why not? Why not? unfortunately, what is... Yeah, we have to do it like this. This is what I call a one-liner. I use the lambda Okay, this was done by multiple. This is a nice solution. In my opinion. Maybe I got a cool idea what to do tomorrow, because yeah, I intend to also do a stream tomorrow. So if you wanna join me then, I will work on my game, on my old game, but I have a cool idea how to improve it. Yes. Okay. But let me see. Someone do it as a lambda one, or am I the only one? Ah, yeah. This is the same one I did, but yeah, slightly different. He's loading now. Because you don't have to do it like if sequence A %2 equals 0 or doesn't equal 0, you can simply say if sequence counts are %2, because otherwise it will be 0, and 0 is false as a default word if you're using it as a boolean like that. Okay. Is there something else we could try? Let's do another one. This one was too easy. Let's do something. Difficulty 5. This seems doable. If I'm not falling asleep now. Maybe it's something we can do tomorrow. Yeah, I guess we will do that one tomorrow. Already was 3 hours into streaming, not feeling. Or maybe, and hello to the one who joined recently. If you are typing on the chat now that I should solve this kata, I will solve it. Otherwise, I will end the stream and go to bed. It's up to you. If you write it in the chat, do it, then I will do it. Yeah. Just type do it in the chat and I will do it. If not, I won't do it. Pretty simple. And while I'm waiting for that, I will sing My Heart Will Go On. Every night in my dreams I feel you, I see you, da 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 da. I don't know the lyrics. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, I'm eating something and I'm trying to sing My Heart Will Go On while eating. Okay, so you don't want me to do that. Oh, sorry. I wanted to sing My Heart Will Go On. Every night in my dreams I feel you, I see you. Every night in my dreams I feel you, I see you. Far upon the distance, da 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 da. Da 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 da. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. Okay, I take that as a no. Because of that, I wish you a wonderful evening, nighttime, dinner time, whatever time it is in your country. Hopefully see you tomorrow on the next stream. See you and bye bye.